All right, friends, please grab 3 100s. Thank you for grabbing the squares. That is the correct one. How many tens are in a 100? 10, because 10 tens equal 100. So please, yeah, that's our song. Please write 3. Around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. Please do not flip flop. Hannah, can you please write? Thank you so much. Perfect. Good. Now, we know that that's a lot different. Can you please pick up 3 cubes? Now, where does that go?
Do we draw it?
In the ones place.
In the ones place. So what do I put in the middle, or that tens place? So look at your squares with your 3 cubes. So you have 3 100s. I could draw a quick pick by drawing a square, and a square, just like the 3 100s. And then you picked up 3 pink cubes. So I need to put something in the middle. So we know the pink were the 3 1s. Marcus, we're just doing a quick pick. So all we needed is a square and the 1s. Perfect. So how many 10s do I have?
300.
That's how many hundreds I have. So look at your, there's 3 10s. Where are your 10 sticks?
0.
0.
Tens.
We have 0 10s. So we need to put a 0 in the tens place.
So that's 303.
But we don't say and.
303.
Exactly. Perfect way to correct. 303. Now, please grab 4 10 sticks. You have your 10 sticks here. And I'd like for you to please draw 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 10 sticks.
Wait, so we keep drawing onto this?
Yes, you can add 3 more 10s.
1,
How many 10 sticks did you grab?
4.
I'm so sorry, I said 4. Yes, 4. That is correct. 10, 20, 30, 40. So please draw them. Now, what do I need to do? Is this still showing 303?
Yes. No.
I added 4 10 sticks.
It's 340.
300. Nope, not Harper, not 400. We're not adding another 100. We are changing the tens place and putting a 4 in the tens place. But we know it's not 4 1s. That's actually worth 40. So there is a way to do expanded form or an equation. We know the 3 squares are, the big squares are 300.
What about, are we going to add 1,000?
Then we're going to add, how many 10s do we have?
40.
40. So we add 40. A lot of friends say 4. But we know it's 4 10s, so it's worth 40. And then last but not least, we have our little tiny cubes. How many 1s do we have? 3. So if I do expanded form, it's 300 plus 40 plus 3, because of the 3, exactly, equals
343.
And that's our sum or total. It means the same thing when we are adding. So we actually have 3 add-ins. 300 is an add-in, 40 is an add-in, and the 3 1s are an add-in. So they're all 3 add-ins together, makes a sum or total of 343. Scholars, please erase your boards. Continuing with our place value, please grab 10 100s. You and your partner are going to share the 100s squares. So we are grabbing 10 hundreds. Thank you for sharing the hundreds. How would we draw that though? A square, that is correct. So let's draw 10 squares. Now we don't need to do the crisscross horizontal. It's a quick pick. So just 10, because I know that's worth, how much is that worth?
100.
100. Thank you. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, counting by 100s, 800, 900, and then I do one more 100. How many is that? So if I have 10 hundreds, that plural vowel, that S at the end, plural. It's 1,000. So 10 hundreds equals 1,000. So when I write thousands, I do put a comma. I have 0 in my hundreds, 0 in my tens, and 0 in my ones. That is how we would draw 100, is just a plain square. But now we are going to change that, and by adding more of our manipulatives, those foam squares that we have. So please grab one more 100. So I'm changing it from 1000 to 11. That is correct. So we already have 10. I'm just adding 100 more with a quick pick. And please grab one more 100. Thank you for spreading them out. That really helps me to see and count better. Thank you for doing that. Now I'd like for you to please grab 6 10-6. And I'm going to draw, and I'd also please like for you to draw those tens.
Square?
Yes, so we have 1100. So you just had to add one more. Then we have 6 10 sticks. So please grab 6 of your manipulatives, as well as draw the 6 vertical lines. Please grab 4 pink ones and draw the ones too. So the quick pick should be real quick.
So keep everything?
Yes, we're not erasing, we're adding more. I might not draw little squares because they kind of look like miniature hundreds. But if that's how your brain works, then that's fine with me. Yeah, but it's kind of hard. It's hard to tell a little bit. That's why I draw the little dots. But however your brain works is fine. Nice job. Now we need to figure out how many in all. So you have the manipulatives, the tens, and the ones. So let's count by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500,
600, 700, 800, 900, 1000.
We call that 1,000.
1,000.
Please put a 1,000 in your thousands place. I have a hundreds a tens and a ones place left.
So 600.
Well,
There's
I already have these accounted for.
So that,
And then I still have one more 100.
so that means
So where would I put that 100? Where would
next to the other one.
next to the other one, which is called the hundreds place. Thank you for starting at the top and writing it neatly. Handwriting counts. Then let's count by tens, please. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
70, 80.
Oh, let's try it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Please put just a 6 in the tens place. We don't write 6, 0 because I don't have 0 in my ones. How many goes in my ones place?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So your sum or total is 1,164. We do not say and. Sometimes even adults, I even make that same mistake too. It's the proper way to say a number is to take the word and out. Okay?
Yeah, because
It's not a number.
You want to be proper.
You want to do proper.
Like Mary Poppins.
1,164. Wow. Our numbers are definitely getting larger. And I also want you to see how I draw a quick pick to help represent that. Because yes, we are going to break things apart to show a different way.